Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Verasity. Right now, Verasity is dropped at the support of this descending triangle, and at the same time, it is also getting rejected by the resistance of this very long-term down channel as well. And in today's video, we will take a look at the next expected move of Verasity. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me to begin with this 4-hour time frame chart. And here we can see that we have this horizontal support and a downtrend line resistance as well. And this is the formation of the descending triangle, and right now Verasity is likely to have a bounce from this descending triangle. Let me show you this pattern on the 1-hour time frame. Then we can see that it is bound from this support. And if, for example, it will reach the resistance, then this time the resistance is at $0.0056. And if we take a look at the targets for the breakdown and breakout, then if it will break down this triangle, then to the downside, Verasity can drop at 0.0042. And for example, if we will have a breakout, then it can move up to 0.0067. Now at the same time, if we take a look at the different support and resistance levels, let me just move to the daily time frame chart here, then we can see that we have a very significant support here at $0.0046. By the way, this is not as that much significant like we have here below than $0.0046. This one, $0.0034. Because if we take a look at the previous history, then we can see that this $0.0046 worked as a slight resistance here back on 7th of March 2021. We had a rejection and we broke it out. Therefore, I'm expecting that once again it can work as a support for Verasity if it will move more down from here. And remember, this support is above the support of the channel. But this next support that we have here at $0.0034 is below the support of the channel. For example, if the price line drops down here and moves some sideways here at the resistance of the channel or above this support and moves down, then it is also possible that it will also test the support here. And for example, if it will test the support here, then the support of the channel and the support of the channel and the support of $0.0034 will be at the same level. Then it can become more stronger support in that situation. Right now we are above this support, and if we take a look at the next resistance, the major resistance, that will be at 1.8 cents, very high from here. And after 1.8 cents, the next resistance, the major resistance, can be here at 3 cents, and that can be the target for this down channel as well. And one thing is for sure, that Verasity is not going to start any long-term bull run unless it will not break down this down trend line resistance of this down channel. And after breaking out this down channel, it will be possible that it will start the next move. Now, if we take a look at this target, I'm just going to copy this trend line from this 1-hour time frame chart, and that is the target for this triangle. And I'm just going to copy it, pasting it here. Then you can see it is showing us the projection below the resistance of this down channel. So it is possible that and it is not possible, it is obvious that when it will break out the triangle, and if it will hit this target, then it can also break out the resistance of the channel. That will be a very, very big breakthrough for Verasity, and then we can expect that after breaking out some resistance levels, Verasity can start a long-term bull run from here. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.